Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys how to create a cake topper shaker Nemo theme. So I'm gonna start off by going to design space. Okay, to start off, I like looking for all the images first. So we're gonna go to Google and I'm going to look for Nemo and Friends PNG. And I'm going to be using this image right here. And I'm also going to be looking for ocean wallpaper clip art. And I'm using this image right here. And on Etsy, we're going to look for Nemo font SVG, and I'm using this image right here. And now let's go back to design space, and I'm going to upload everything else. But first, let's go to images, and I'm gonna look for wood sign. And I'm going to be using this image right here. And we're also going to look for seaweed. And I'm also going to be looking for sea plants. And we're going to be looking for bubbles as well. And we're going to look for circle scallop. Okay, so let's insert images. Okay, so here's everything. First, we're gonna do the shaker. So we're gonna select shapes and select the circle. We're going to do the circle 6 inches. Then we're gonna duplicate and do this circle 5.2 inches. I'm going to select both images, select align, and select center, and select slice. And we don't need this right here. So now I'm just going to add a border to it. Okay, so with the blue circle, we're going to duplicate and we're gonna select contour. And I'm going to hide the circle in the middle so you can have one circle like this. And I'm going to change this to a gray just so I can know this is my acetate. And then I'm going to duplicate, and then this is going to be for the background. For the background, I'm going to be using this image right here. So let me just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so then I'm going to put it like this, and I'm going to select both of the images, and I'm going to slice. Okay, so here's our background. So now we have this. Now I'm just going to add 2 more. So I'm gonna just select everything and center and group. Okay, so now we're going to do the scallop circle. And all we have to do is make it a little bit bigger and select contour and hide that circle in the middle so it can be just one circle like this. Okay, so we're done with this part. So now let's go on with the name. Then I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger and just see that it looks good. And then we're just going to be adding shadow to it, so we can end up with something like this. And that you can do using your offset feature, or you can do it on Inkscape. Okay, so now let's do the sign with the number 3. So what I'm going to do is select the image and I'm going to duplicate. And then I'm going to select weld, so I can end up with the image like this. And then I'm gonna just select contour and hide all contours, so we can have just one image like this. And then with this image right here, I'm going to be using this, open the little lock and make it, I'm gonna stretch it out a little so it can be a little bit more long. And then this part is just so it can give it that wood effect. And then I'm gonna just put it like this. And now I'm just gonna put the number. So here's the number 3. For the font, I use Baby Do. So we can end up with something like this. So I'm gonna just make it a little bit smaller and put it right here on a side. I'm gonna just add like 5 bubbles. Okay, and this image right here is just one image, like it will cut out as a square. All you have to do is select a shape. I'm gonna select the square and I'm just going to be slicing. So I'm gonna select both of those images and then I'm going to select slice. And as you can see, it separates the image. And then just here with these 2 little fishes, I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna just duplicate so it can be 3D. So we can end up with something like this. So I'm just going to select the whole cake topper and I'm going to duplicate. And with this image right here, I'm going to weld so everything can just become one. And this is going to be our background, and I want to add a shadow so it can be the darker blue. So all I did was contour and hide all contours, so you won't have all those little extra pieces.